Hi class, welcome to Unit 1. We are going to just go through what's required for this week. We are going to start with exploring our InDesign workspace, as well as creating and saving documents, viewing and modifying page elements, navigating a document, and working with objects and smart guides. You will start with your instructions here, which I will review with you really quick. You want to go ahead and read the syllabus, obviously, from the intro portion of this course. Then you're going to want to view Unit 1 overview video, which is this video right here. After this, you want to get started with the InDesign videos. The InDesign video, if you go back to here, would be getting started with InDesign. This brings you right to that InDesign tutorial page, where you can download your files, view the videos, and then for each video, obviously you can see you go ahead and save a file. You will save down. They'll let you work with some zooming and panning, and honestly, there's not a whole lot that you do with these files, but it allows you to at least practice. You open, you save, and then you submit. So if you go back to Unit 1, the videos here, these are the data files. You can also get those data files in the video. And then you will complete the small little tasks within the video. And those tasks are saving, touring, and zooming, and that's about it. You're going to be surprised at how simple they are. It's basically opening a file, saving it, and then you're done. So that portion, you will get credit for that portion. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and do an icebreaker. Introduce yourself. Some of what I asked you to do for introducing yourself is just talking about maybe where you live, what you do for employment. You talk about your family. Any information you don't want to share, that is perfectly fine. I get it. Your professional experience or your professional goals, you can solely focus on your time at JSU if you'd like as well. And then lastly, you're going to do a forum for good and poor ad designs. I want you to search for ads. They can be magazine ads. They can be online advertisements that you find that you really feel are impactful or powerful. They can be on products or ideas. I tend to lean towards the idea ads. Those are a little bit more inspiring to me, inspiring either to not design the way that someone designed it, or inspiring to maybe follow a model on how good design works. So, but you may not know that yet, how good design works, and that's what I want to check and see inside that Good Poor Ad Design forum. We'll talk a little bit about that. So go ahead and post good and bad examples, and then respond to your peers with thoughtful feedback, no less than 2. You will be counted for that for participation. If you have questions, let me know. It's sort of a light week this week, but that is an overview of Unit 1. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week's virtual video.